Hello guys, TechOculus presenting Tech-Paathshala, an online software internship program. So let's know something about embedded system. Embedded system is the combination of hardware and software designed to perform dedicated functions with a larger machine or electrical system. Application of embedded system in many fields like telecommunication, automobile sector, consumer electronics, medical and healthcare, aerospace, avionics, and many more. Through these pictures you can get the importance of embedded system in industries. Let's discuss about training process. We provide you advanced yet simple course content. We have proven embedded methodology. We provide you lab assistance as well as module-wise theory and lab session. Also, in this training, we work on real-time projects and simulation. Here are the course highlights. In this course, we will cover embedded C, GPIOs, lower level drivers like I2C, SPI, UART, ADC, PWM, timer, interrupt, as well as interfacing with different sensor and actuators on Atmega 16 microcontroller. If you have doubt, why choose us? So let me clear. You get the training from industry's expert. Your trainers are from different MNCs, so you get the real-time exposure as well as you get the knowledge how embedded system evaluate, develop, implement and integrate with other systems.